Hey guys, today is the last day of Christmas. So I would like to, for the last time, I would like to greet everyone a Merry Christmas. Yeah, and of course, Happy New Year. It's now 12 o'clock in the morning here. I'm waiting for Aster coming from work. That is why I'm still awake. Let me take you outside. Nothing much is happening outside. It's quiet. Neighbors are already sleeping. It's foggy outside. Foggy, yeah. Very foggy. It's very cold. It's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It's freezing temperature. Woo! So quiet. Aster should be coming home pretty soon. Yeah. So let's go back inside. It's very cold out here. Wait for the last time. There you go. Snowman. Snowman. Let's go inside now. There's Aster. She just arrived from work. Yeah. So quiet here. Very quiet. Hey, what's up?
I cannot see the road.
It's foggy, huh?
It's foggy. I cannot see it.
Yeah. How was it today?
It's okay.
Yes, yes. She just came from work. Hard working woman.
It's foggy. I cannot see the road.
Of course, you can see, but it's foggy.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's gonna.
Give me. All right. Let's go inside. It's freezing out here. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's video. All right. So today is the last day of Christmas. For the last time, I would like to greet everyone a Merry Christmas. And of course, also Happy New Year. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.